Hello children, today we are going to discuss our next topic. So, in today's class we will discuss number system and place value and face value. Okay, before to start the number system, we must to know what is number. A number is used in counting and measuring the quantities. Counting means like 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are used for counting. So, number is used for counting and measuring the quantities. Measuring means if I measure a row 5 meter. So, here 5 represent a number. If I said I have 10 rupee, so here 10 is a number. So number is also used for measuring the quantity. Now number system. Number system defines a set of values used to represent a quantity. With the help of number system, we will read or write a set of value. For example, if I write 4, 5, 8, 9, this is a set of value. Then how we will read and how we will write it, it represent through the number system. Okay, we will read it 4589. Now, how many types of number system? Generally, there are two types of number system. One is Hindu-Arabic system of numeration and second one is international number system. Firstly, we will discuss about the Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. It is also known as Indian system of numbers. Here, the periods, places and digits are given. The ones period is consist three places: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands comprises with 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs also consist lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores consist crores and 10 crores. Here an example is given. The greatest 7-digit number, that is 99 lakhs 99,999. If we will add 1, then what we will get? Smallest 8-digit number, and number is 1 crore. Okay, here another example is given. Here the greatest 8-digit number, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, and we will add 1 in this number. Then what we will get? We will get smallest 9-digit number, and that is 10 crore. Children, as you can see here, we put some commas in this value. So firstly we will learn how we can put comma in numbers. So in Indian number system, we put first comma after first 3 digit from right side. Here ones, tens, hundred, and after this period we will put comma. Now after every 2 digit, next one is 1000, 10,000, and we put comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh, and then we put comma, and so on. Here an example is given, and the digits are 3, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 9, 4. Now how we will read it and how will we write it? Firstly, we will write these digits with their places. Here in ones column 4 will become, 9 will be placed at tens, 3 will be placed at hundreds, 1 at thousands, 2 at 10,000, 7 at lakhs, 6 10 lakhs, and 3 goes with crores. Okay, so how we will put comma? As we know, we will always write first comma after 3 digit from right. So from right 1, 2, 3, and then we will put first comma. Again after 2 digit 1, 2, and we will put comma. Again after every 2 digit 1, 2, then we will put comma. Okay, and how we will read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. So 3 crore, 67 lakhs, 21,394. Here another example is given, and the digits are 190063,108. Then how we will read it? Firstly, we will write all these numbers with their places. At one place 8, tens, 0, hundreds, 1, thousands, 3, 10,000, 6, lakhs, 0, 10 lakhs, 0, crores, 9, and 10 crores, 1. Next, how we will put comma? As you know, we will put comma from the right, then 1, 2, 3. After ones period, there are 3 digits, and we will put first comma, and then after every 2 digits. Now thousand period 1, 2, and then we will put comma. Next 1, 2, and we will put comma. Now how we will read it? 19 crore 63,108. Did you notice it, children? Here we didn't read these 0, but we will write these 0 so that all digit places right periods. Okay. International system of numeration. As you all know, there are 2 types of number system. So the international number system is another method of representing numbers. As similar to Hindu-Arabic number system, in international numbering system also different periods are formed to read the large numbers easily. Generally, the periods used here are ones, thousands, and millions, and so on. Here, Sam, who is the friend of Ruby, told her that his father bought a house for 6 million rupees. Ruby got into thinking, what is million? So students, don't you also know like Ruby what is millions? No problem. I show you this table. Today we will learn it all. Here in the table it shows periods, places, digits. The ones period consists ones, tens, hundreds, places. The thousand period comprises of 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 places. The million period also comprises millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay student, now how can we write 1 million? Here we write 1 million with their places. So 1 million have, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 1 million have 7 digits. Here 1 is followed by 6 zeros. Okay students. Now here we will take one example. We have greatest 7-digit number 9,999,999. Now 1 is added in it and we will get smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and we read it as 10 million. You can also find 10 million by multiply 10 into 1 million. So you can say it also that 10 million is equal to 10 times of 1 million. 10 million have 8 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 1 is followed by 7 zeros. Now take greatest 8-digit number, that is 99,999,999. Now we added 1 in it and we will get smallest 9-digit number, that is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and we will read it as 100 million. We have another method to get 100 million. When we multiply by 100 in 1 million, we will get 100 million. Here there are 9 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 1 is followed by 8 zeros. Okay students, now how we will put commas in international number system. So now let us learn read and write the using international number system. So as per international numeration system, the first comma is placed after the hundreds place. Commas are then placed after every 3 digits. So here the examples are given. As you all can see in display, first comma put after units period, or we can say after 3 digits from right side. 8, 4, 3. First 3 digits is known as unit period, ones, tens, hundreds. First comma we put after 3 digits. So here, okay. Now you can say now second comma put after next 3 digits, that is 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and after that we will put 1 comma here. Okay. Similarly, third comma we will put after million period. What is million period? Million, 10 million and 100 million, and after that we will put third comma. Okay students. Now here we will take a large number 3, 8, 2, 4, 0, 5, 7, 6, 5. How will we read it? Here you can see we will write all number with their places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, and put commas properly. First comma we will put after unit period, then second comma after thousand period, and third comma we will here no need of third comma. Okay, so how will we read it? 382,405,765. Okay students, now next example is 3 6 7 2 1 3 9 4. Again we will write it with their places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and put proper comma, first comma put after unit period, second comma put after thousand period. Okay, now we will read it 36,721,394. Okay student, now here is another example: 19,006,3,1,0,8. So students, can you tell me what shall we read it? Yes, first you will write all numbers with their places. 8 will be write with ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, now we will put comma properly, first comma after unit digits, unit period 801, and we will put first comma, second comma after thousands period, yes, 360, and we will put second comma. Now what will we read it? 190,063,108. Okay students, did you notice students, here we did not read place value of zeros, but we will write them to show right value. Look, this is the number 1 and 2. What happened when 1 and 2 together? Look, this become 12. 12 means 1 bundle of 10 stick and 2 loose stick. Correct? Let us placing them another way here. Now it is 21. 21 means 2 bundle of 10 stick and 1 loose stick. Okay, 12 and 21 both have 1 and 2 digit. Then why they are different? Look, 2 represent 2 stick and 1 represent 1 bundle of 10 stick, and in 21 1 represent 1 stick and 2 represent 2 bundle of 10 stick. See here carefully. The digit on right tell us the number of loose stick. In 12, 2 is right side, okay, and it represent 2 stick. But in 21, 2 is in left side and it represent 2 bundle of 10 or 2 tens. This means the left side digit tell us how many tens are there. Okay student, same way 2 and 4 make 24. Okay, 4 represent number of loose stick, that is number of ones, and 2 represents number of tens, that is 2 bundles of tens. But when the change their place and it become 42, 2 represent number of loose stick, that is number of ones, and 4 represent number of tens, that is 4 bundle of 4 bundle of stick of 10. So now you know rightmost place represent ones place as tells us the number of ones. The next adjacent place towards the left is called 10 place. Tens place, as it tells us how many tens are there. See, 2 bundles of 10 10 each are there, that is 2 tens are there. So ones place indicate number of 1. In this case 4 ones are there, and tens place indicate number of 10. In this case 2 tens are there. So students, what is place value? Place value is the value of digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Okay. Now we will take one example. We have a number 346. Now 346, we will write this number in the place value chart as number 3. In hundreds column, number 4 in tens column, and number 6 in ones column. Now let us look at place value of each digit, as the number 3 is in 100 column. So it means there is 300. So its place value is 3 into 100, that is 300. And number 4 is in tens column. It means it have 4 tens. So the place value of 4 is 4 into 10, that is 40. And number 6 is in ones column. Now the place value of 6 is 6 into 1, that is 6. Okay. Now let's try some more example. We have one more example here. The number is 605. Okay. So we will write it with their respective places. Okay. So 6 is right with hundreds, 0 is right with tens, and 5 is right with ones. Okay. So number 6 goes in hundreds column. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 100, that is 600. 0 is in tens column. So 0 into 10, that is 0. 5 in ones column. So place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5. Okay students. Now let us learn what is phase value. Phase value of each digit in a number is same as digit itself. As we can see here, 4 represent 4 stick and 40 represent 4 bundle of 10 stick. In both cases, the face value is 4 is always 4. So, the value of digit that never changes with the places is called face value. Now, here we take a number 346 again to understand this. As you all know that number 3 is placed in hundreds column, number 4 in tens column, number 6 is in ones column. Okay students, but the face value of digit is same as digit itself. It represent of where it in place value chart. So face value of digit 3 is 3 only. Face value of 4 is 4 only, and similarly face value of 6 is 6 only. Now let us solve another example. Here we have a number 890. Here the face value of digit 8 is 8, and the face value of 9 is 9, and the face value of 0 is 0. So now you can understand how can 10 digit, that is from 0 to 9, can make so many numbers. Okay, just by changing the places of the number. Let us see these 3 numbers. First one is 5, second one is 54, and third one is 573. In case of 5, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1, that is 5. In case of 54, 5 into 10, and its place value will be 50. In case of 573, as 5 is on the place of 100, so the place value of 5 here is 5 into 100, that is 500. Okay students, but if we will talk about the face value, then in each case the face value is always 5. Okay, face value never change with their place. Okay students, now what is expanded form? Expanded form or expanded notation is a way of writing numbers to see the math value of individual digits. Okay, or we can say writing the number as the addition of place value of its digit. Let us write the expanded form of the 5325. Okay, firstly we write each digit with their place value, and then 5325 as the sum of place value of its digits, that is 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5, that is same as 5325. Okay, that's all in today's class. Thank you.